Hello everyone, this is Shobhik and once again welcome back to our YouTube channel English Tutorial by SB. From the title and thumbnail you have understood that today I am going to talk about how you can become fluent and confident in spoken English and also in your attitude. If you feel that you are really afraid to communicate in English language, if you feel that you don't have words and sentences when your turn comes to you, then this is the right video for you and I will help you to understand why this happens and how you can solve this. So watch till the end, subscribe and share with those who are in need of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Let's get started. English language is not our mother tongue. It is our second language. And we do not get an atmosphere in the same way a native speaker gets. So we have to learn this second language. And it is also applicable for learning any foreign language as well. Then what we can do? We can learn the basic structures of this language. Now, by basic structure, I mean to say tense, passive sentences, the concept of simple sentence, complex sentence, and how I can use a simple sentence, how I can use a complex sentence in my communication, and we can become confident on that. So this is your first task, to identify whether you are confident with the basic structures of English language or not. If the answer is yes, then you are in the right path, then you can go with the other tips. And if you feel that no, you don't know the basic structures, you don't know about tense, you don't know how to use different types of tenses in your communication, simple sentence, complex sentence, you don't have any idea, then you have to learn that. Because learning can help you to become confident. And it's really easy to learn English language. Now you can visit our YouTube channel and you can get lots of videos there. We have completed the basic structures of English language and you can be benefited from them. After doing that, we can understand the importance of communication process. Now the communication process includes ideation, encoding, decoding and feedback. Now ideation means to have an idea before you convey your message to others. If you give respect to your mother tongue, I mean if you really think in your mother tongue in a very creative way, then you can do the same thing with English language as well. Start writing on a page. Whatever you have, start writing in English language. Now this will help you to think in English language, which is really necessary to improve your language proficiency skill and to become confident. Write down, then get it checked by someone. If there is no one, you can send that to me. I will check that for you. After you are organized with your ideas, let's start a practice, a habit of expressing that in English language in front of a mirror to your friend, relative, whoever is there in English language, and also without looking the script, you have to do it. Next topic I would like to point out here. Do we need English grammar? The answer is yes, we need English grammar because in a formal situation, you are not expected to make errors in your communication. If you make a silly mistake, then it's fine. But when you repeat the mistakes, then that is considered an error and nobody is there to accept your error. I am just giving you one example. Suppose you are using one of the in superlative degree and you are using a sentence in your communication. India is one of the most beautiful country in the world. Now this sentence is wrong sentence. It will be India is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. When we are using one of the, we have to use plural noun. Now this type of silly mistakes are there. If you start making that mistake repeatedly in your conversation, then people will understand that you don't have the concept and they will think that you do not have proper sense of this language which you are using to convey your message to others. English is simply a language. We use this language to convey our message to others. So let's become confident and gradually you will become fluent in front of others. My next point is how we can develop our vocabulary. Now this is very important. We feel that we don't have enough words to use that in our conversation, but I am telling you, you have lots of words in your mind. You just have to create a habit of using those words in your communication. When you will start writing, those words will help you, but when you will start communicating in front of others, those words will not come. You just need practice. Write down something, then express that in English language without looking at the script. This is very, very important. Without looking at the script which you have written, if you can express that after practicing a little bit, then you are going to be confident very soon. Next point I want to focus here, 3 P's of presentation. Now 3 P's of presentation means it indicates to 3 words starting with the alphabet P. Planning, preparation and practice. Now you can understand, I have just told you should have proper planning, and then your preparation will be there. You have to write down something, and then you have to practice a lot so that you can become confident when your turn will come to you to convey your message. Now this is possible when you have enough time. Suppose after 10 days there is a seminar, a conference, and you are preparing for that. Now what will happen if you get an extempo topic, if you get a jam session topic, just a minute session? You will be given a topic and you are supposed to convey your message on that topic for at least 1 minute. What will happen at that time? Now if you start practicing, or if you create a habit of organizing your ideas and then expressing that in English language, then easily you can think about that topic when you will be given an extempo topic. Now there is an extra tip for you. If you take a topic and then try to find out the answers with the help of WH words, who, which, what, when, how, where, then easily you will get answers, and those answers will help you to make your speech. Suppose I am giving you a topic. What is your favorite book? Now you can remember 2 or 3 sentences, or instantly you can create 2 or 3 sentences. What will happen if you are asked to convey your message for 1 minute? Then if you ask that topic, what is your favorite book, with the help of these WH words, then you can easily find your answer, and gradually and confidently you will make your speech. Last but not the least, if you create a habit of thinking anything in this world in English language, then you will become confident and fluent. You are walking on the road and you have seen a beautiful car, and if you think, oh, what a car, in future I would like to have this car, and start thinking in that language, and come back to your home, write down something, then practice, then you think. Whenever you get time, free time, just start thinking on a particular topic in English language. If there is any problem, then write down and then practice. And to improve your vocabulary, which I have just told, I would like to give you an extra tip. You have to read. Read whatever you have. Read newspaper, take some difficult word, look for the nearest meaning or synonym of that word, use that in your communication in your own way, and then express that. It will help you. Whatever you are reading, whatever you are seeing in front of you, just try to summarize that in English language. If you write something and if you don't have anyone to check that, whether the grammar is correct or whether your creativity is okay with that or not, you send that to me. The email ID is coming here. You can also send me on my WhatsApp number. The number is also coming here. Your queries regarding English language, spoken English, soft skill, I will solve that. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any doubt, any query, please write down in the comment section. I will solve that. I will get you in touch very soon, and all the best. Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you very much for watching.